Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Making this video today to show you an install. We're doing a Hertz Stage 6 upgrade on this 2014 Streetglide standard. It came factory with a little boom 4.3-inch screen. We're going to do an upgrade. It's already been upgraded to a GT radio with the 6.5-inch nav, but we're taking it a step further and putting the new Soundstream HDHU14 radio in place. It's going to add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also going to give us a 10-band EQ, so no need for a DSP. We're going to do a Hertz HMP4D amplifier pre-wired. It's a package we sell through volunteeraudio.com, along with our SX165Neo upper and lower speakers. Going to add some new grills on the bottom because this bike didn't have any grills when it came in. And we're going to do a cut kit on the rear lids and add the Hertz SX690Neo 6x9s. So a little background on this bike. So Cory's brought it to us because he's unhappy with it. And like a lot of people, it seems like, no, this wasn't something Cory did. He bought the bike this way. It's got kind of a mismatch of components. It has a Rockford Fosgate amplifier. It has the old Hertz Milli Pro 6.5s. They were great 3-4 years ago as far as technology goes. And it's got some Polk DB, just kind of entry-level cheap 6.5s in the lowers. But when you turn it up and you get to volume, what you need to hear going down the road, it's very distorted and unclear. So he's brought it to us. We're going to take care of all that. At the end of this video, I'll let you hear it and we'll see how big a difference it made. All right, so we're back 7 hours later. Got this Hertz Stage 6 speaker installed done. So we got the new Soundstream HDHU14 head unit in, SX165Neo 6.5s front and in the lowers, so uppers and lowers. We did a cut kit with the SX690Neo in the lids, and we also put our new Hertz amp in the fairing. So we found quite a bit of a mess in this. So it took a little while to undo some of the previous work. People kind of hacked the harness up and we had to fix that. So now it's got correct power and ground run from the battery. Previously they were the same color, seemingly undersized in gauge. Also the input signal was incorrect. Somebody went high level into the low level side of a Rockford amp. So there's no switch on this to do high or low. So they were actually feeding a high level signal in, creating a lot of problems in the original install. So like with a lot of installs we come behind, it doesn't matter what kind of equipment you buy. Just about everybody makes something that is good. You know, some people make things that are great, but it all works much better if the install is done correct. In this sense, we had Hertz speakers that had been rubbing the grill and had rubbed a hole in the surround. We had lower kind of car series Polk speakers, not the MM1s, but the cheaper car series that didn't have grills. Found issues all over it that are now fixed. But enough said, I want you to hear what a Stage 6 package sounds like. This is using our Hertz amp that is T-harness ready for the Soundstream radio. And this radio is clean all the way to volume 50. I did check it. It goes all the way to 50, completely clean. I saw another video saying it only went to 45. Don't know what they're using, but with a DD1 running a 1 kilohertz tone, all the way to volume 50, it's clean all day. So we've got it adjusted to clean at that volume, and we're going to turn it up and let you hear what it sounds like. All right, so we're going to listen to some copyright-free music. I know it's your favorite, but it's going to give you a good idea of how high the highs are, how low the lows go, how clear it is all the way up. So let's get it turned up. As you can hear, it's way louder than anybody in their right mind needs it. It's clear all the way to the highest volume, so you don't have to worry about going too much going down the road. So we've got at Volunteer Audio this package ready to go if you wanted to purchase it. Amp gains will be set exactly as they need to be. All the filters set when it comes to you, RDT harnessed. We're going to make this as easy as we can make it so that you can do this on your own and get results like this. No DSP needed, the EQ and it works great. And we'll do another video very soon to show you how to adjust that EQ inside the radio for the best sound when you're doing a system like this. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely like this video and tell your friends about us. VolunteerAudio.com. You can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. God bless.